Explore the enchanting world of Hens and Chicks, a resilient succulent that captivates with its distinctive rosette formation. Renowned for its ability to thrive in harsh conditions, this plant adds a touch of charm to gardens and rockeries. Join us as we delve into the unique qualities that makes Hens and Chicks a favorite among succulent enthusiasts. Native to the mountainous regions of southern Europe, Hens and Chicks have adapted to thrive in alpine environments with well-draining soil and intense sunlight. The plant's hardiness and ability to withstand challenging conditions have made it a symbol of resilience in various cultures. Hens and Chicks forms compact rosettes with fleshy pointed leaves. The leaves are adorned with fine silvery hairs that create a cobweb-like appearance, adding a unique and adding charm to the dimension of the plant. As a hen produces offsets, or chicks, the clustering effect becomes visually striking. Hens and Chicks flourishes in well-draining soil and prefers full sun to partial shade. These succulents are drought-tolerant, making them suitable for rock gardens, containers, and dry, arid landscapes. While they can withstand colder temperatures, providing protection from excessive moisture is crucial to prevent root rot. Hens and Chicks make delightful companions in succulent gardens. Their low-growing and clustering habit creates a visually appealing ground cover. Plant them alongside other hardy succulents such as sedums to form captivating arrangements with varied textures and colors. Beyond their ornamental appeal, Hens and Chicks serve practical purposes in garden design. They are excellent for erosion control on slopes or in rocky terrain. Their ability to withstand neglect and harsh conditions makes them suitable for xeriscaping, where water conservation is a priority. They are also prized for the ability to thrive with minimum care, making them ideal for low-maintenance gardens. In conclusion, Hens and Chicks brings a touch of whimsy and resilience to gardens. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of plants. Until next time, may your succulent gardens thrive, and may Hens and Chicks continue to bring resilience and charm to your green spaces.